So I think a lot of people are interested in creepy clowns when they come to the channel.
vidIQ.
vidIQ.
vidIQ.com.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Vidcon 2018, and we are now with
CZsWorld, and
Hello.
it's great to finally meet you in person.
I'm kind of honoured here because Zach is the first person we interviewed on vidIQ when you cracked 1 million views, and we did a case study, and a lot of people have found that useful. So if we now jump forward 18 months, how has your channel progressed since then?
It's been good. It's had its ups and downs. I've been able to really turn and make that Things You Missed series into like my #1 series on the channel. So I've been cranking out a lot of those lately. There's been a lot of activity in the horror community to cover, so I've had a lot of content to make videos on. So last month has been doing really well for me.
So the first video you did was, what was it, 25 things you missed on it? Well, you did a few before that, but the breakthrough
That was the first one to
ones.
really break through.
And so how did you follow on from that? What were the next videos you made in that series, and then what was the type of reception and views that you got from them?
So I did things that I missed, and people really responded well to that because I featured people's comments, and people stuck around to see like if their comment was going to be in the video, and I think it was just a fun way to interact with the audience. So that's like my most viewed video on the channel right now to date. So that was a big success. And then when subsequent trailers came out, and then of course when the movie came out, I did Things You Missed for those as well. And once the hype for it started to die down, I still kept on it by, I do the al dente creepypasta, the scary stories on my channel. So I did clown, it's called Creepy Clown School Lockdown, and that's like, I think my most successful narration story. So I did that one, and I just recently put out a sequel to that, Creepy Clown School Lockdown too. So I think a lot of people are interested in creepy clowns when they come to the channel. So I'm kind of serving that, and I think a lot of people are interested in the Things You Missed approach to movie analysis, and I've definitely stayed on that grind as well.
That was kind of going to be the next question, that you found the success with the concept of Things You Missed, and it's attached to horror movies initially. Have you ever thought of actually pivoting your entire channel to this concept of Things You Missed, or would it be taking you too far away from what you're passionate about?
No, I don't think it takes me away from what I'm passionate about. I mean, I have tilted it in a sense where about like 50% of my videos are Things You Missed videos.
Right.
And I've been able to keep it in line with like my filmmaking passions by making short films in the Things You Missed. So for example, I did a collaboration with Crypt TV recently. I did Things You Missed in their series Look-See, Things You Missed in their series Sunny Family Cult. And in the Look-See one, I made a little short film as if I was running from the Look-See, and I had to get these things you missed out to survive. So every now and then I'll turn them into little shorts. And then I mentioned my series Al Dente Creepypasta, and a lot of times what I'll try to do is the topics that I write about in Al Dente Creepypasta will be somewhat related to the topics that are popular in the horror movie world. So I'll do, like if I do my Things You Missed in It, then I can turn and do my Al Dente Creepypasta with creepy clowns.
Would you say now that you've become somewhat of an authority in the horror genre, and now people are approaching you for collaborations, like how do you feel you are as an established YouTuber in that genre?
I don't know if I would say that I'm an authority in the genre, but I think one thing that people have come to know me for is I've come to kind of organize the community a little bit.
Okay.
So we've actually done like some in-person meetups with different horror channels in the Los Angeles area. And one thing that I've just always tried to do is keep in touch with people. I did a stream for a while, the Dead Stream, where I would have like different horror creators on to just talk with them, hang out. I did that with Mortis Media and Lady White Rabbit, who are other horror narrators in the community. So yeah, I try to collaborate with as many people as I can, and if I can help out other horror creators, then it's gonna help out the community as a whole, which I love to see.
Thank you very much for your time, Zach.
Thank you.